So my talk today was over looking at weather and climate variability and weather and climate change in the Great Plains over the last basically 50 to 100 years. What we're seeing, how that impacts today's weather, climate, and agricultural impacts. Well, the biggest issue that we see in the Great Plains when it comes to weather and climate is that we're seeing some changing conditions. And really it's on the precipitation side. And there's more variability now than we've seen in the past in terms of transitions and rapid transitions between, say, wet periods and dry periods and back and forth. And that has big implications to agriculture. I think the biggest takeaway on our end when we try to communicate this is that agricultural producers are actually put into a tougher box than they've ever been put in before, because this variability is happening at such a short-term period and long-term periods. It really makes it much more difficult to plan. We're seeing changes in terms of the interannual variability of precipitation, but also changes in terms of when that occurs in the growing season. And really from a planning standpoint, an important standpoint for producers is just to be aware that the variability is changing. So what you've done before isn't necessarily as relevant as it is now, because we are having a changing variability in the climate system.